Hello children, welcome to Nivedita School online classes. Children, today we are going to learn about lesson number 2, how our earth looks. Part 2. Yes, in previous class we learnt about what is globe. The model of the earth is called globe. How it is? A globe is a round in shape like a ball, children. See, this globe represents the shape of the earth. It is fixed on a point and can be rotated on its axis just like the earth. It is very attractive for the small children. Many different colors are there, isn't it? What are the uses of globe? Yes, we can see continents and oceans on the globe. Then it makes us very easy to know water bodies and land masses by its wonderful and different colors. It looks very attractive for children. Some of the limitations. What are the disadvantages of maps? What are those? Yes, we cannot see the entire earth straight. We need to rotate the globe to see other side. We cannot show the details on the globe. Then it is very difficult to carry from one place to another. Isn't it? A large globe is difficult to carry. Space is very limited, children. In globe, we cannot show many details. Only one side of the earth can be seen at a time. Next, we studied about map. See children, earliest terrestrial globe was made in 1492 by Martin Behaim. See, these are the very limitations on the globe. So, to overcome the limitations of the globe and to understand more better, we will learn about map. What is a map? Yes, a map is a representation of the earth's surface, children. Yes, children. Gerardus Mercator was the first to publish a collection of maps in the form of book. What is that? The book of map is called an atlas. Do you know, children? The art of making maps is called cartography. A person which makes a map is called cartologist. Then what are the uses of maps? Yes, maps are very easy to carry from one place to another. First point. Second point, they provide us detailed information of even a particular area. Third, they are used by pilots, tourists, drivers, sailors and mountaineers. See children, maps are also drawn to show the distribution of rainfall, forests, crops, minerals, industries, etc. Isn't it? Yes. Then a map which can be hung on the wall is known as the wall map, and a map on which the whole surface of the earth drawn on is called the world map. Okay, children? Yes. Now we will learn about oceans. See children, what are these? These are the small water bodies. These are called small water bodies. What are those? Seas, gulfs, bays, lakes, ponds and rivers. These are the small water bodies. Very large water bodies are called oceans. Do you know, children, How many oceans are there? Yes, there are 5 major oceans are there. In your textbook they given only 4. Actually 5 major oceans are there. What are those? One by one I will tell children. The Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Antarctic Ocean and the Arctic Ocean. 5 major oceans. Among these oceans, the Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean, children. And Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. Do you know, children? The Antarctic Ocean is also called the Southern Ocean. The Antarctic Ocean is also called the Southern Ocean. See children, in which direction it is? In southern direction, in south. So it is also called the southern direction. The largest ocean is the Pacific Ocean. The smallest ocean is the Arctic Ocean. Okay children, next we will learn about the continents. Very large land masses are called continents. See children, large land masses are called the continents. There are 7 continents on the earth surface of the earth. Their names, what are those? Asia, Africa. See children, this is Asia, Africa, Australia, Europe, North America and South America. These are the 7 continents on the earth. Yes children, Asia is the largest continent. Then which is the smallest continent? Australia is the smallest continent. Asia is the largest continent. Australia is the smallest continent, children. Children, each continent is divided into countries. Our country is the 7th largest country in the world. See, in terms of area, the largest country is Russia, children. And the smallest country is Vatican City. Okay, children, nearly 195 to 200 countries are there. Among them, our country is the 7th largest country, children. This is not in your textbook. Extra information I am giving, children. See children, top 10 largest countries in square kilometer. Russia is the largest country in the world. Second, Canada. Third, United States. Fourth one, China. Fifth one, Brazil. Sixth one, Australia. Seventh one, India. Eighth, Argentina, Kazakhstan and Algeria. These are the top 10 largest countries in square kilometer. Yes children. This is all about continents. Once again I will revise children. Very large water bodies are called oceans. There are 5 major oceans are there. What are those? Those are the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Antarctic Ocean and the Arctic Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and the Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. Yes children, the Antarctic Ocean is also called the Southern Ocean. Continents. The large land masses are called continents. Okay children, There are 7 continents are there in the world. They are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Asia is the largest continent and Australia is the smallest continent. Okay, children, our country is the 7th largest country in the world. Okay. Yes, children. This is all about continents and oceans. Thank you, children.